on, guys? Today we had a trade, and I kind of just want to go over, how we did it and our entry and everything like that. Um, so today we traded Novavax. Okay, Tyler, why'd you trade that stock? Why'd you pick that stock? I had a catalyst. Okay, I'm not trading any stock without any news. Okay, the only way you're gonna be able to trade any stock without any news is if it's a hot sector. So the clean energy, like Plug, all those kind of stocks. Okay, the electric vehicle sector, NIO, Tesla, those stocks have enough volume each day to just trade off price action. Okay. But I generally like to trade earning reports. I have to have some type of catalyst to trade. So, like for example, GameStop, I'm not trading that. It doesn't have it's just all hype, and it's scary stuff. There's no way to risk management in that, and if you do, it's going to be like in out. But we traded Novavax, and the news was Johnson & Johnson came out with vaccine news, which was cheeks. So for some reason, all the competitors of Johnson & Johnson for vaccine, which is Novavax, all the other kind of stocks, spiked. So this stock here, look at it. It's up it was up like 70%, okay, based off of that, okay? And as you keep trading the stock market and you're on the stock market for so long, you understand what news is going to do what, because in the stock market, history repeats itself, okay? So in my head, I'm thinking, oh, okay, let's jump up $80 in one day just based on that news. Does that sound like it was anything crazy that these guys should be getting all this attention? No, it's just what traders do, okay? And that's what you need to understand. You need to understand if traders traded it or it was investors actually investing in it, okay? And in this case, I'm pretty sure if you watch the stock in the next couple days or weeks, it's going to fall off and go back down to right where it came from, okay? And you're going to realize, holy cow, like that was just straight up traders trading it, okay? So this stock went from like 150 all the way up to 235 today, which is crazy. And we have a small account. We started a $2,000 account a couple months ago, and we grew it to 4,000. Okay, so our account's right at 4,000. You can't see it because I blurred all this stuff out, so no one can come hack me and take all my money away. So look at this down here, guys. This isn't something that's going to happen every day, right? $200 with a $4,000 account. Our goal is to make $80 a day. That's 2% of our account. Okay. We traded 25 shares of the stock and came out with 200. Okay. How did we do it? I'll show you. Okay. So right now, as you can see, it's not any time at market open. Market open is at 9:30. I'm recording this later in the day, like 1:30. Okay. Because I couldn't catch this on here for whatever reason. That was kind of cool, but okay. So market open, right? And these here are called candlesticks. Okay, a candlestick shows the price movement of the stock. Okay, so there's lines. You can make a line graph. Let's see, I'll show you guys. Settings. Okay, I won't really mess with that, but whatever. You guys are probably used to seeing the lines. Okay, well, I like to use candlesticks. Okay, I like to use the 1 minute candlestick. Okay, well, Tyler, what's a 1 minute candlestick? Okay, a 1 minute candlestick is meaning after 1 minute, a new candle is going to form. After another minute, a new candle is going to form, as you can see, 9:30, 9:31, 9:32, so on and so forth, right? Okay. So market open. Okay, right where the stock price opens at is where you're going to have to know that, okay? So the stock opened right under 200, 190, okay? So look at this. In 1 minute, the stock ranged from 193 to like 184, okay? That's a lot of movement, okay? And that's because this is the most volatile time. This is when all the traders are trading at 9:30. Any trader who trades is in front of their computer at 9:30, okay? Like I said, all the traders are trading the stock anyways, okay? So look, you don't mess with this 1 minute candle. You don't touch it. You don't trade in the first minute, okay? So you can get smacked around real quick, and it's going to be hard to have any risk management because you don't get a direction. You want to get a direction. Okay, so I'm kind of going to want to show you something here that you'll start to notice as you start trading, okay? So here, look, we got a little uptrend, but what happened here at $200? It didn't go above it, right? It tried here, and then the next minute it tried again, but look, it didn't go above it. If it went above it, this candle would have went here, okay, it would have went up again. This is called a round figure, and in this case, it was resistance. Okay, so what's a round figure, Tyler? Well, round figure is anything like 200, 190, 180, 170. If it breaches above that, it's going to keep making new highs. Okay, so that's kind of a nice lesson. So when I was trading this morning, I was waiting for it to breach above this 200, but it kept going. 199 back down 196, 199 back 196. Okay, fluctuating in this candle, but it never breached above it. Okay, so what happened? Okay, it broke support. Okay, what's the support, Tyler? Okay, well, you see these two candles here? You see how these two kind of line up? Right here, right around the 190. Okay, it didn't go below it here. It didn't go below it here. Okay, it got stuffed at resistance. So here we come. This is where I made my trade. As soon as it broke under this 190, guys, I shorted it, and within seconds, it just bang, 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 all the way down to it went way lower than this because it was so quick it didn't like capture. It went around like 182 or 180. I don't even really remember, but it was so fast. Okay, and then it kind of followed this trend throughout the day, and then it kind of found a new support. It keeps making new lows, as you can see. Like, look here, and then it kind of bounced off that and rode its way back up. But that's the part that I trade. I trade the first couple minutes of the market open. There is swinging opportunities on this stock. Like I said, like, look, here's the 235 that I hit, and now it's all the way back down. It went down to like 203, right? So there's plenty of opportunities. You could make money buying this stock while I make money selling it. Okay, there's many ways to make money in the stock market. Okay, you could swing the stock, you could short that stock at 235, and you could hold it for a couple days, maybe a week, and it could go back down to right where it came from. Right, that's the thing you guys have to understand. That's why shorting is so great, because when you see these stocks and you're thinking, okay, well, is this stock overvalued? Is it undervalued? You know, what is it? And that's kind of what you'll get a better feeling for as you continue to trade. But I mean, guys, we just made 5% today on a little tiny account. Excuse me. But just with 25 shares. So I mean, if you're patient and you stick around in the stock market, this is just living proof that you know, you can do this, guys. This is exciting stuff. You can make this a living if you treat it like a true business. This is something that you guys can definitely do. I'm sorry I couldn't capture this on for you guys. Made me rage a little bit, but I couldn't rage because I got the 5% today. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you have a great day. We'll do a paper trade for you Monday. I don't have a trade Monday because if you have an account under $25,000, you're under what's called the PDT rule, pattern day trading rule. If you trade more than 3 times in 1 week, if in your accounts are on $25,000, you'll get flagged and you won't be able to trade. Okay. So my trades are Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. So those are the days I'll be trading on here. I have a paper trading app on my phone, which I'll be trading and showing you guys things on too. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys kind of learned a little bit about how to short a stock, support and resistance, and kind of how you need a catalyst to trade. You know, the reason I traded this and everything. So let me guys know if you guys like this, if you want me to keep doing this, or you know what's going on, guys. Leave some comments, like, subscribe. Thank you very much, guys. Peace.